There is a place on Earth where it feels like there is simply nowhere else to go. One look over the edge can make your head spin, your heart race, and your knees tremble. Standing there creates the incredible illusion that you have reached the very edge of the world, attracting hundreds of thousands of curious visitors every year.
To experience this incredible place, you must travel to Norway. Reaching it is far from easy. The journey requires hours of hiking through rugged mountain trails, rocky landscapes, steep slopes, and small streams. That challenging adventure makes arriving at the destination even more rewarding.
Eventually, you'll arrive at Preikestolen, better known as Pulpit Rock, rising nearly 2,000 feet above the breathtaking Lysefjord. Standing on the cliff feels almost like floating in the sky. The panoramic view below is so spectacular that words hardly describe it. One of the most surprising things is that there are very few protective barriers along the edge of the cliff. Every visitor explores the area at their own risk. A single careless step could lead to a serious accident, making caution absolutely essential. Every year, hundreds of thousands of people travel from around the world to visit this incredible location. Some come for the breathtaking scenery, some to capture unforgettable photographs, and others simply to experience the thrill of standing on one of Earth's most dramatic cliffs. It has become one of Norway's most famous tourist attractions. Scientists believe the cliff was formed around 10,000 years ago during the last ice age, when enormous glaciers shaped the surrounding landscape. Over thousands of years, the forces of nature carved this remarkable formation, making it both breathtakingly beautiful and geologically significant.
Today, the location is also a favorite destination for adventure seekers. While many visitors enjoy hiking, others push the limits with base jumping, wingsuit flying, and other extreme sports. It has become a symbol of adventure and breathtaking natural beauty. In 2017, this spectacular location gained worldwide attention after appearing in Mission Impossible Fallout. Tom Cruise performed one of the movie's unforgettable action sequences here, and parts of the area were temporarily closed during filming. Some local souvenir shops even sell bottles filled with air from the region as a unique keepsake for visitors. While mostly a novelty item, it reflects the area's reputation for exceptionally clean air and adds to the mystery surrounding this remarkable destination. Although many people call it the end of the world, scientists remind us that Earth is a sphere, so there is no true edge of the planet. Yet, standing on Preikestolen creates an unforgettable illusion, unlike almost anywhere else on Earth. Perhaps that's why millions dream of visiting this extraordinary place at least once in their lifetime.